Okay, y'all. So we got my wall clippers right here. It's 5 of them, and I'm gonna sound test them for y'all so y'all can hear. These are my quietest ones right now. Still kind of loud, but not nothing too serious. You know what I mean? And the Wall Legend, kind of loud. I mean, it ain't nothing like too crazy. And the Wall Magic Clip Quarter, kind of loud. But these three are powerful. And then these ones, I don't care for them too much. I might modify them, see what happens. Wall designers. And then cordless magic clip. These are running out of battery, so that's why they're not like going. But that's that.